I lived in Japan for 6 years. I ran a team. I was head of corporate communications for a 74 billion euro company at the time. And of course, I am not very Japanese, as you can see. Now, the reason why some of my colleagues accepted me as a boss, and actually my boss said at some point of time, "Oh, Mette, you're one of us," which obviously I'm not. The reason why I got that feedback is because when you're managing culturally diverse teams, it is so important that you see people, that you respect people for who they are, and that you have that curiosity that also makes you seek what are these people interested in, so that you can respect it. Respect and curiosity is absolutely key.